In this video, I will quickly show you how to upload a project to GitHub using Vscode. First, open your project folder inside Vscode. Next, go to the Source Control tab, shown as the branch icon in the side menu. Click Initialize Repository if the project is not connected to Git yet. Then add your files by clicking the plus button or using the Stage Changes option. After that, type a message describing the changes in the commit message field. Click Commit to save the changes. Next, click Publish Branch to upload the project to GitHub. If prompted, sign in to your GitHub account to authorize the upload. After confirmation, Vscode will automatically send the files to the online repository. Once completed, your project will be available on GitHub. And that's it. Now you know how to upload to GitHub from Vscode easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.